Changing Insignia's gear stick. So ordered a new gear knob. So here you go, starting now. First of all, you put the car into the neutral, and then obviously you open the casing just to get to the inner side of the gear knob. Get it out now. Lift it up, and then you just try to take it off, and there is a cable tie, so you need to unclip the cable tie, and then you can clear the space. After unclipping the cable tie, just doing it now. After unclipping it, you can take it off and then put the casing back and there. That's it. Yeah, now it's free. So basically, what you need to do is just to try and lift it up, and just do it with the force. It's trying to lift it, but it's really too hard. So I want to try a different method than trying it hard, but it's not just lifting. So what I did here, just to break it with the screwdriver, and there's a ring in between here. You just take the ring off, and then here you go, you can lift the gear knob. So order the new gear knob. So put this back on and see, make sure it clicks on. So make sure put it all the way down and clicked in, and then put a new cable tie on. Put the casing back into the place, and here you go, a new gear knob, gear stick for Insignia, Vauxhall Insignia. Hope you like it. Cheers.